Okay, YouTube, hey, I want to do an update video on my Panda PAN760SF. This is the 3.75 cubic foot model. We loved it. We purchased it in January of 19, and after about 6 months, it started having like this real grinding noise, this like grating noise, and we contacted Panda. We purchased it off Amazon, but we actually contacted Panda through their information that they have listed in their manual, which the manual that comes with it right here, and their service information, it's easybuyonline.com, easybuyonline.com. And we contacted them. They asked for the receipt. We showed it to them. They're like, hey, it's under warranty. And at first they thought it could be the fan belt, and we replaced the fan belt, and this is what the fan belt looks like. And it was not the fan belt. I should tell you that that website, that Easy Buy Online, they sell these parts for a lot less than you can buy them on Amazon or on eBay. So that's something to consider. Then they suggested it could be the drum belt, or it could be the pulleys, and we inspected that. We took the back off of it, and what it actually turned out to be is this motor. And this is the old motor, and I removed it myself, and they sent me a replacement motor. And the replacement motor looks identical to this one, except the replacement motor has like this stainless steel spindle. And see how this rotates like really easy when I turn it? The new one, if you do it with your fingers like this, it'll turn for like 6 turns and stop. It's a lot firmer. And this sucker, when we had basically disconnected the fan belt, the drum belt, and just ran that motor, it was making that grinding noise, and that's why they sent us this replacement motor. It was difficult to replace the replacement motor. I had to cut the wires, had to crimp them, use heat shrink tubing, but we put the new one in, and I should have taken a video of what it looked like in there, but I didn't. But the new motor's in. And I mean, sure, it makes a noise because there's a fan running in the back, but the grating noise is gone. And we're making this video here on September the 8th of 2019, and I'll keep y'all up to date on how this plays out. Hopefully this replacement motor lasts for a good long time. And we've been real happy with this because we have a unique space to put our washer dryer in, and we purchased this rack system off Amazon, and I was able to use a rotary blade to cut a metal grinding wheel to cut this like little area off so I could fit the Maytag inside of it. We love this Maytag washer. It's been dynamite. And this gives us some room to store some things. And right now I've got this set. I'm gonna set it on the hottest level with the button in, and it's just running smooth. And then that motor was in it. It was wobbling back and forth, and not in a really exaggerated way, but it was wobbling. That's why we had to put these little foam blocks in here. But this seems to be running nice and smooth. Anyway, for anyone who's had problems with this, I'll say I was very impressed with Panda's customer service, very impressed with them shipping me the parts. They also sent specific how-to videos that were proprietary through like this online Dropbox system they had. So just contact them at service@easybuyonline.com, especially if you are within the 1-year warranty period. And if you're outside of the warranty period and you've got one of these and it's making noises or not working, I would suggest contacting them anyway for replacement parts. Contrary to popular belief, these get good and hot. They're 120 volts, so they can just use a standard outlet. And we've been really pleased with this. This has been a very nice unit, very lightweight. I just hope this motor, the replacement motor, lasts longer. Thanks for watching.